1. Foundational knowledge, 1-2 months. Weeks 1-2, learn Python basics, data types, control structures, functions, libraries. Weeks 3-4, study mathematical foundations, linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics. 2. Data handling and preprocessing, 1 month. Weeks 5-6, learn data manipulation with libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Weeks 7-8, practice data cleaning, handling missing values and feature engineering. 3. Machine learning fundamentals, 2 months. Weeks 9-10, understand supervised learning, regression classification. Weeks 11-12, learn about unsupervised learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction. Weeks 13-14, study model evaluation metrics and cross-validation. 4. Deep learning, 2 months. Weeks 15-16, introduction to neural networks and frameworks, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. Weeks 17-18, study deep learning architectures, CNNs, RNNs, GANs. Weeks 19-20, implement and experiment with deep learning models on real datasets. 5. Specialization and advanced topics, 2-3 months. Weeks 21-22, explore natural language processing, NLP, and reinforcement learning. Weeks 23-24, study advanced techniques, transformers, transfer learning. Weeks 25-26, work on a specialized project or case study. 6. Practical experience and deployment, 1-2 months. Weeks 27-28, learn about model deployment and LOPS. Weeks 29-30, build and deploy a machine learning model in a real-world application. 7. Portfolio building and job preparation, 1 month. Weeks 31-32, create a portfolio showcasing your projects. Weeks 33-34, prepare for interviews, practice coding challenges, system design and ML problem solving.